Joshua akĩrũgama akĩhĩta, niĩ na nyũmba yakwa yothe tũrĩtungatagĩra Ngai matheru, ona inyuothe mwarega Ngai Ngamini. Akĩrũgama akĩhĩta, niĩ tũrĩ ona inyuothe mwarega Ngai. Ona inyuothe mwarega Ngai Ngamini na family yaku. Family yakwa, my nyar, nyina wa Nderito. Stand up, they see you. Stand up, yeah, my nyar. Don't smile, don't even dare. Yeah, yeah, ikarathi. Yeah, muhure iruhe rwega. That is my beautiful wife. Na no nginya ngamwika introduction nigetha ndainuka akandugira wega. Ngakora mai ni matwarirwo bafu. Itariria muka wa Ngamini orite. Okae gugutwira festiri. Thiko icio indirerugira. Stupid creature. Ucio ni mucene wa atumia. Uroka gutwira tuguteithia atia. How can we be able to help you? No niwe muraigua kiuga Guthurwo Deacon. Amurwo. Deacon or an elder of a church cannot be picked from anywhere. Timotheo ni aritie wega akauga muthuri agithurwo eta wa kanitha kwa murwo no nginya hote ukorwo managete mucie waku. You know how to run your house. Homestead. Wakorwo we na mundu urahuthira hakiri. Mundu tari na ucuke riu we no tuge nduri ucuke. Can we be able to say that? Nene mwe utonyetie murati na festiri. Is it once? Not once. Not once. Riu muthe niwe ukithirie na thuti ndune tuone ni utheraga ati you are a groom person. That is not possible. Tutingikuhe giti. He muthuri murata wako etagwo Ngarama. Wako ria gwetagwo Komothai. Handu hetagwo Gitombo. Gitombo. Na ne ndigagwo muno andu akuu maikarie thi oguo. Makiuga mete kwao Gitombo. But that man aitiririo maguta oguo as an elder because he's a person with brains. A person who can be able to manage his family. A person who helps others. We ni uri weteithiria mundu, ni uri wagurira mundu ranji. Kana tuthie handu mukawa-ini ukauga thimu yako ni irahangia M-Pesa. Stupid creature. Stupid you are. Think of buying a nice phone from Phone Store Kenya. Hala Kenyatta Avenue House. Second floor or floor M2, shop number 13. Ugure thimu ina kiongo kiega. Tutwire na ne twene kweringithia. Taro ne thukumaga. Utire githirukia kibikibi haha kambe. Ogikuaga andu eri no ndungiona mbeca cia kugura thimu. Ndungiona ninge mbeca cia kugura andu cai. Creature, stupid. I've never seen that. I have never seen that. Ko MC kamete haha. Wewe ndio ungirehitha rungu rwa metha. Tigo guga ati ningucinuraga. Let me not even think of you. Na inyue church members, nyina wa Sipora, nyina wa Jerry. I have never seen that. Kimembia at least. Wewe ndutetaga muno tondu wewe twagitiganire na uhoro waku wa gutuika muhunjia. Aya matire magiteta guku ati tutituaga Ngamini elder. Which elder? Tutige kwihoka. We cannot. I cannot even fathom.